Kamusta mga kababayan? In our today's video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about the Canada Caregiver Pilot Program 2026. So, ready na ba kayo mga kababayan? If you're a home child care provider, home support worker, or caregiver hoping to move to Canada, this guide is for you. I'll show you how to get permanent residency right away. Bring your family and avoid common mistakes that can delay your application. So, let's get started. What is the Canada Caregiver Pilot Program? Ano nga ba ito, mga kababayan? So, do sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, the Caregiver Pilot Program is a federal pathway for caregivers to come to Canada and get permanent residency immediately upon landing. So, pagdating nyo pa lang dito, mga kababayan sa Canada, permanent resident na agad ang inyong status. Wow! So, key benefits for 2026, immediate PR, permanent residency on arrival, bring your family right away, yung inyong mga asawa with open work permits, kids with study or visitor permits. Next is expanded roles. Work for a private families, agencies, or certified facilities. Simplified na yung requirements. High school plus CLB4 plus relevant experience. Ano yung mga eligible roles? Childcare, elderly support, disability support, post-op care, palliative care, and more. Ito naman yung mga eligibility requirements to qualify for 2026. You need all of the following. Number 1, language. CLB4 minimum for IELTS, writing 4, speaking I4, listening I4.5, reading I3.5. Education, high school diploma or equivalent with ECA from IRCC approved agency. Siyempre, work experience. At least 6 months recent caregiving experience or recent professional training. Valid job offer, full-time, aligns with NOC codes 44100 or 44101. Proof of funds, enough to support yourself and family. Siyempre, kailangan admissible ka dito. Medically cleared. No serious criminal or immigration issues. Remember, a job offer alone is not enough. You must also have the experience or training to qualify. So, eto na. What are the step-by-step application process? Step 1, secure a job offer early. Start months before intake opens. Network, use agencies, family contacts, and job boards. Step 2, prepare all documents, ECA, language test, job references, signed offer letter, police clearance, medical exam, at proof of funds. Step 3, apply immediately when intake opens. Intake fills fast. Set alerts. Join IRCC newsletters and double-check all documents. Step 4, track your application. Monitor your IRCC account and respond quickly to requests or updates. Step 5, prepare for landing. Siyempre, papunta ka na dito. Kung sakali ay malampasan mo lahat yung mga steps 1 to 4. So, upon approval, pay landing fees, do virtual or physical landing, register for healthcare, open bank accounts, find housing, start work, and integrate your family. So be aware lang of these common pitfalls or mistakes of applicants. Una, late ang application. So intake windows is very short lang. Kaya abangan nyo mga kababayan. Wrong ECA agency. Only IRCC approved ones count. Ito pa, missing signatures, supporting documents, only complete applications are accepted. Job offer not genuine. So make sure yung employer nyo ay legit. Unclear references. List all duties specific to caregiver and OC codes. Intake trends and future. So, yung intake, as I mentioned, are limited only. Expect 2,350 spots only for home child care, 2,350 for home support, plus some for out-of-status workers. So usually opens late March or April. May fill in just days. So keep documents ready and act fast. So, ayan mga kababayan, there you have it. Your full guide to the Canada Caregiver Pilot Program 2026. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, more tips, informations, and more videos to come. I will see you, God willing, on my next video. Samahan nawa kayong parati ng Panginoon sa inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay at magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.